HTC U Ultra Screen Assembly Replacement Guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, T5 torx screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your HTC U Ultra phablet. Eject the SIM card and microSD card tray. The HTC U Ultra rear panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the narrow bezel. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use a playing card to attack the adhesive and dislodge the rear panel from the phone. Remove the following 16 T5 torx screws. Remove the top plastic shield that covers the motherboard. Lift the bottom plastic shield out of the phablet. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws. Spudge the HTC U Ultra battery connector up from the board. Detach the HTC U Ultra loudspeaker and pry it out of the phone. Detach the bevy of cables from the HTC U Ultra motherboard. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws. Carefully pry the motherboard up and out of the HTC phone. Remove the metal bracket. Disconnect the ribbon cables from the daughter board. Pry the HTC U Ultra daughter board up from the midframe. It includes a USB-C connector, a microphone, spring contacts, and some control hardware. The vibrator and 2 signal cables are also still connected to the board. The HTC battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use a spudger to help free it from the adhesive securing it to the midframe. Lift out the 3.85 volt 3000 mAh HTC U Ultra battery. Tweeze the HTC U Ultra earpiece speaker out of the chassis. Remove the following 10 Phillips screws. Extract the HTC U Ultra metal frame. Peel up and remove the fragile power and volume buttons ribbon cable. The QHD 5.7-inch HTC U Ultra display assembly is glued on solidly to the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use a precision knife to create enough space to insert a playing card. Use the playing card to slice through the sticky adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the dual display cables when decoupling the HTC U Ultra screen from the frame. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.